Hello friend, in this video we'll discuss about the Ecam control panel fuel SD page. So press the fuel page on Ecam control panel, you'll get this pop out on the lower Ecam and corner it is written as fuel. So we'll discuss all the indication. This is about the configuration of the fuel tanks and we'll discuss all the indications. So if you'll see on the top there is a fuel used quantity 1 plus 2. So this is 1 plus 2 means number 1 engine and number 2 engine. So suppose number 1 is utilized 300 kg, number 2 is utilized around 400 kg, then 300 plus 400 will come equal to 700 kg total fuel used quantity on the fuel SD base. So this is just, you can see this is the example 7000, then engine 2 is 6990 kg, then center you are getting total 13990 kg. So this is all about the fuel used quantity by the engine 1 and engine 2. This is your LH wing inner sail. That pump will supply to the APU, means APU will use the fuel from the LH inner sail. This is a crossfeed valve. Once this will on, then this will give supply to the both means LH wing to RH wing, RH wing to LH wing, means both can feed, both wing can feed both engine, but it will not use fuel directly from the center tank because this is a new fuel tank where center tank doesn't have pump. They are having transfer valve, so that transfer valve will transfer the fuel from center tank to LH wing inner sail and RH wing inner sail. So that fuel will utilize from the wing only, not directly from the center tank to engine. But in CO aircraft, that center tank having pump, then that will supply to the both engine. Center tank will directly give supply to the both engine, and also it will cross feed to each other. So in CO aircraft, in 320, if you'll talk about the wing, it is called inner sail and outer sail. But if you'll talk about the 321, that is wing tank, LH wing tank and RH wing tank. So don't confuse with 320 and 321. Here it is inner sail and outer sail. So this is all about the center tank and so there is a one more. This is a inner sail and outer sail wing fuel tank temperature sensor, which will give indication about the fuel. And then this is your LP valve. Right now engine is out of condition, that's why it is cross amber in close condition. So once you are selecting master lever on, then it will be inline and LP valve will open and they start giving supply to the engine. So this is all about the indication. Then there is a bottom side, you will see there is a fuel flow 1 plus 2. It will compare with the upper Ecam engine pace, how much fuel flowing to the engine, kilogram per minute, and this is a fuel on board, total fuel on board including all the tank. In kg, there is a difference between kg and liter. We'll discuss in the another day in some another part. So here you will get additional center tank indication. This is not part of 320, it will be in 321. You can see this is your additional center tank is optional for 321 also. You can see center triangle, that is for transfer the fuel to the center tank. So ACT will transfer the fuel to center tank. Center tank will utilize the, means it will send the fuel from the transfer valve to your inner sail. This is a CO concept, so you can see there is a cross feed, how the center tank is giving supply to the LH engine and RH engine as well as cross feed valve. And this is your transfer valve for the new engine. You can see in the bottom side it is a transfer valve and cross feed valve is supply from LS to RS side. Now if we talk about the wing pump, this is your wing pump. This is cross line amber, mean pump is in off condition. From overhead panel pump is selected off. There will be yellow word, it will be written yellow inside of the box if pump pressure is low or pump contactor is on. So once pump pressure is low, then you get yellow word, Lima and Oscar word in this box, and it will be in amber color, and it will be in a green color, inline green color, mean pump is working fine, it is in normal condition. So this is, you can see this is a on condition pump. If we will talk about the center tank, it is inline green. You can see like this inline green because it is going to inner sail, so it will be inline green. Then transfer valve is open. This is a transfer valve, so transfer valve is keep on supplying this. This is the indication of transfer valve, and this line will be amber if transfer valve is open, although commanded close in automatic or manual mode. If it is commanded close, means there is some fuel limitation in the wing, just like that. There is a fuel low level, then high level, then underflow level, like this concept is there. Wing we will discuss in 8828 fuel, but here just will take example. If fuel is going below 500 psi, 500 kg, means under low level sensor, then this transfer valve will automatically open and it will keep on supplying. Once fuel tank will full on the wing, then again this will off condition. So cross line green, transfer valve is closed. If it is like this cross line, it is a transfer valve is closed. And cross line amber mean transfer valve is closed, although commanded open in automatic condition. So commanded open, that is only concept, depend on the fuel scenario, it will give transfer to the fuel. And this is your LP valve, this is inline green, valve is open condition, and this will be in amber color, inline amber color, the valve is open but engine master switch is off. It is cross line amber when engine valve is fully closed, and it will be in transit if the valve is in transit condition. So this is right now, it is inline green means valve is open condition and close is like that. So this is about the LP valve of the engine. If we talk about a cross speed valve, and here also inline green, valve is open. If this is your inline condition, inline green means valve is open, inline amber means valve is open with cross speed push button is off. This is your transfer valve indication, and this triangle is green during a transfer to inner cell. If this will come green once fuel is transferred to inner cell. This triangle is in solid amber when the valve are open while commanded close. So this will be in the amber color, valve is open, showing open, but it is commanded close condition. And this triangle is in amber when a valve is in transit, and there will be the cross mark. Sometimes the valve position information is not available, no display when valves are closed. So sometimes cross mark anywhere here. Number 1 engine fuel use quantity 1+2 or fuel flow quantity 1+2 is cross means just the position information is not available. And if you talk about the center tank, this is where we will talk about this transfer valve. This green valve, if display in green when there is a center to inner tank transfer, this will mean green means it is giving transfer to the inner cell. This display amber when the transfer valve is open, whereas commanded close in automatic or manual mode. It will be open when commanded close, whenever required automatically it will work, depend on the level of the fuel. APU is in white and triangle is in green, the APU valve is open. And APU is in amber color, this will come in amber if APU valve is closed and APU fire push button is out, APU master switch is on, then this will become amber. And here only you will get like this, APU and triangle are in white color, that means APU valve is closed condition. Means once it is white, valve is in closed condition, once it is green, means it is in open condition, and amber you have pushed out the fire switch button. This is your fuel temperature indication. This is appear with the associated temperature sensor is weight, and this will be normally in green color. This is for outer cell, this is for inner cell. There will be advisory only appear in the phase 2 and 6, not in other phase, only phase 2 and 6 of the flight when the temperature is above the 45 degrees Celsius for inner cell and 55 degrees Celsius for outer cell, and below minus 40 degrees Celsius also this will give advisory in the phase 2 and phase 3 when the temperature is below the minus 45 degrees Celsius. It becomes amber, and Ecam display a caution if there is a temperature goes above the high limit or below the low limit. So minus 40 just about you can consider minus 40 is minimum and 55 degrees is the maximum. Then you will get Ecam display warning caution. So this is your fuel quantity indication. We'll discuss about this fuel quantity. This will be normally green color whenever fuel, any page you open it will be in green color, and unit may either be in kg or pound depend on the DMC pin programming. So we are here using kilogram. So 2 dash appear across the last 2 digit when the fuel quantity indicator is accurate, then only this 2 dash will come out. Fuel quantity indication, box indication. Like you are getting box here, amber box means outer indication in the box amber if both transfer valve fail to open when the inner is at low level. Like here only box will come, like this box will come whenever inner is going to the low level and fuel is not able to transfer around inner cell, then only this box will become half amber. Center tank indication is boxed amber if both center tank transfer valve is fail in closed condition. Fuel quantity overflow indication in the case of wing overflow, associated inner tank quantity will become amber. So this is also good to know information, overflow indication. That will be the advisory message in the phase 2 and phase 3 if there is a difference between these two and these two is more than 1500 kg, then wing inner and outer indications pulses with the highest fuel level. Wherever highest fuel level is there, that will start pulsing. This is a fuel on board. This will be in the green color. It indicates the total fuel of the all the tank. When the fuel quantity is inaccurate, last two digits can become dash. Now if we talk about the wing pump, this is your wing pump. This is cross line amber, mean pump is in off condition. From overhead panel, pump is selected off. There will be yellow word, it will be written yellow inside of the box if pump pressure is low or pump contactor is on. It will be in a green color, inline green color, mean pump is working fine, it is in normal condition. So this is, you can see this is a on condition. This is a fuel onboard indication, and this will be normally in green color, and this will tell about the total onboard fuel including wing, center, outer other side of the wing, and if additional center tank available, that also. And two dash appear across the last two digit whenever FQIC is inaccurate. Unit may be kg and pound, depend on the DMC pin programming. So whenever center tank not able to transfer inner cell, and whenever outer cell is not able to transfer inner cell, then only this will become amber box. Then indication number is in amber when the engine is below the idle, and this will become white color when it is above an idle. Fuse indication is in green. Whatever total fuse is there, you will get in green value. So this will be in the green color, and this will be automatically reset into the next startup, you can say. So this is about the Ecam control fuel SD page. See you again on the next Ecam control page.